Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you 10 different piping designs that you can add to the top of your cake. So let's get started. So before we get started with piping designs, I'm going to show you how to make a simple American buttercream. American buttercream is a really good frosting to use for piping because it's really stiff and it holds its shape really well. And another great thing to use in frosting is shortening. It has a higher melting point and it holds its shape better in the heat, especially while you're piping. You don't want the heat of your hands to make the frosting soft. So I have all the ingredients for the frosting here in front of me, which is butter that is at room temperature, shortening, powdered sugar, vanilla extract, and milk. And I'm choosing to use a stand mixer to make it. You can use an electric hand mixer. So the first thing you need to do is add the butter into the bowl. And add in your shortening. And then just beat that on a medium-high speed for about 5 minutes. And about halfway through the mixing time, make sure you scrape down the sides to make sure all the ingredients are mixing in. And then continue beating it for the rest of the mixing time. So it's been beating for about 5 minutes now, and you can see it's now much lighter in color. So now what you need to do is sift your powdered sugar into another bowl. You do that to aerate it and to also get rid of any lumps. And with the mixer running on a low speed, slowly add in the powdered sugar, adding just 1 spoonful at a time. And once all the powdered sugar is added, then add in the vanilla extract. And start by adding 1 tablespoon of the milk. If the frosting is still quite stiff at this point, add in the extra tablespoon of milk. This frosting is fine just the way it is, so I don't need to add in the extra tablespoon. So now you just need to scrape down the sides and beat it on a medium speed for another 3 minutes. So it's been beating for another 3 minutes and you can see it's gotten a nice light color. So if you're going to be coloring your frosting, try and use a gel food coloring. Gel food coloring helps to not change the consistency of the frosting. So to color the frosting, divide it into separate bowls and then just color it using the gel food coloring. And you can color them however you like. I'm choosing to use red and blue. Alright, so I have the frosting colored and now I'm going to show you 10 different piping designs you can add to the top of your cake. So I have all the frosting in a piping bag, and if you like you can practice piping on a sheet of parchment paper first. So if you follow any of these piping designs, you should end up with a nice looking cake. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I have so many more on my channel, so be sure to check them out and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.